AI audit. Let's get one done. It's going to take you 15 minutes. Grab a cup of coffee and settle in. I want you to write down everything you did last week in 2 columns. Column A is a machine could do this. Column B, it requires me specifically. So column A, the types of things that you might include in that, anything that's a data entry, developing draft emails, pulling reports, formatting documents, editing, clips, all of these things. Write down those details in column A. Column B is about making a judgment call. It's about knowing who to contact in a network. It's about understanding how 2 very disparate things are connected within your ecosystem. It's about understanding context from your experience. It's about creating something which is bringing a partnership together, meeting particular needs, and it's come through building trust from a relationship. So sit back, finish your coffee, and relax. Have a look at column A versus column B. Which one's longer? If column A is longer than column B, it is not a crisis, it's a map. You now know exactly what you need to protect, grow, and lean into. The people who will thrive aren't the ones who saw AI coming. They're the ones who knew what they could bring that AI couldn't. Subscribe to Career Jam and make sure you check out our other videos. Great stories, news on AI and careers, transition, people that have done it before you can take inspiration from.